Hello friends, welcome back to Data Driven Jai. Today I am going to show you how to create an interactive dashboard in Excel in just 5 minutes. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this tutorial will help you to transform your data into dynamic visual insight. Let's get started. First, let's set up our sample data. We are used sales data for the coffee shop overview and past year. Here the quick look at our data table. Next, we will create a pivot table to summarize our data. Select your data range, go to Insert tab. First of all, I select this range, then go to Insert. Wait a minute. Now go to Insert and create a pivot table and New tab. So here our pivot table is ready. Now in pivot table field, drag the month to the row and other in values. So here you can see that. Now, to make our dashboard interactive, we will add a slider. Click on anywhere in the pivot table, then go to Insert, then Slider. Now, select the month and any other relevant field you want to filter by. Arrange the slider beside your pivot table. Okay, and here our slider is ready. Now let's create a sum chart. Select your pivot table, go to Insert, and whatever you want you can add in the chart. Go to Insert tab and choose the chart you are to prefer. We will column chart for sales. That's why here click on this chart. Format the chart, make it visually appearance. Finally, let's assemble our dashboard. Move your chart in slider to a new sheet and arrange them in a way that you easily understand. And the title and any additional formatting to make it a professional look. Now, simply Control X and create new, name there as a dashboard and paste this and resize this. Now also slider also Control X, then go to dashboard and click Control V. Now simply resize this and here our data is ready. For more interactive, make it to full screen. For that, simply I drag and drop and resize this. So now our ready. Now I want to check our data in March month. Then simply I click on March and here the value. Simply I click on the October month and here this October. And now October sum of expensive is this and our sum of sale is this. Now I go for a January, then click on January and here our data is updated. So all these and they are have it a beautiful interactive dashboard in Excel create in just 5 minutes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it the thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.